Good afternoon once again. So here we are going to discuss about the granite flooring. See here, granite flooring and marble flooring both are same. Only the topping material is changed here. The procedure is same. So in marble flooring, what we have seen, base courses. So it consists three different courses. That's okay. We have discussed that one. LC, compacted earth, and normal concrete. Above this, they are going to put bedding mortar. Okay, bedding mortar. On that, they are going to put stone slab which is pressed. Here, instead of mosaic, they are using granite stone. They are using granite stone. But compared to mosaic, this granite is very strong. So that is why it is used where traffic is heavy. It is used where traffic is heavy, office, college, and maintenance is minimum. Maintenance is minimum. So everything is same. Construction method is same. See, marble that requires polishing for 6 to 7 years, but granite does not require any general polish. Okay, general polishing requirement is not there. So that is why it is very durable. Okay, only difference is granite is very strong compared to marble. Construction methodology is same. Okay, that is the thing. So the next type of flooring we are going to discuss, that is timber flooring. Okay, so timber flooring generally used for carpentry, halls, dancing halls, auditoriums. Okay, so these are generally costlier. And one more thing, to prevent the dampness, a DPC layer is introduced here. So this is a typical diagram for timber flooring. Okay, so generally we have two cases in timber. One is suspended type and another is solid. See here, suspended means there is no direct contact between floor and ground. Solid means full contact between the floor and ground. This you understand. No contact between ground and floor, it is called as suspended. Full contact between ground and flooring is solid type. Okay, so this is a timber flooring. So we will see that diagram. We will see that diagram here. Okay, so where is that? Okay, here you can come. This is a suspended type. This is called as a suspended type. What we have see here, this is a flooring, no? This is a pure floor. What we are seeing, no, floor, but it is not in contact with the ground. It is not in contact with the ground. So ground level is here, floor level is here. So there is no contact. So that is why we are calling it as suspended type. Suspended type. So what are the different parts you can see here? First, there will be wall, exterior wall, and there is a ground level. The wall is constructed up to here. So this is pure big hall, no? So this hall will extend up to here, no problem. So to support that one, we have intermediate supports here. We have intermediate supports in the form of small columns. So here up to one layer the DPC is provided here. DPC layer is provided. So what they are going to do? What they are going to do next? Okay, see here. So they have constructed this wall. So here also they have provided a sleeper wall. This is called as sleeper wall. Act as an intermediate. So there will be little bit wide is there. Here also DPC is there. Now at this level, one side they are going to put wall plate, another side they are going to put sleeper plate. So these are what? These are supports, just as a act as a supports for timber. So the timber may be in piece of running members, no? Joists of timber are there. So we have seen, no, RSJ, rolled steel joist in steel lintel, steel lintel we have seen, no? In the same way, if a long member of timber is there, in cross section it appears as rectangle or square. Okay, so those things are placed here like this in a horizontal way. So in the bigger three-dimensional view, steel joist, or sorry, the timber joist will run like this. Okay, this act as one skeleton. Over this the flooring like this. Over this flooring will come. Over this flooring will come. Okay. Okay, like this. Over this you are going to put what? The flooring material. Okay, like this the timber flooring will come. So this skeleton part is shown here. This skeleton part, this skeleton, what are we are seeing, no? This is skeleton part and this is a covering part. This is a covering. Okay, inside what is I am drawn with the red one, covering, the green ones are joist or skeleton part. So those things are appear like this, those things are appearing like this. Okay, I hope it is clear now. So those things are this. So the green one, that skeletal is joist. Okay, and above that the boards, what we have told, no, the inner coverings are boards here. Okay, I hope you have understood now. Okay, so on what members it is resting? The joists are resting on wall plates and sleeper plates. Just remember these words. Okay, wall plates and sleeper plates will support what? Will support joist of timber. Will support the joist of timber, which are green in color, which acts as a skeleton. Above that, the boards of wood, the wooden boardings or timber pieces will come. Timber pieces will come. Okay. So for the movement of air, we are providing what? Air bricks here. We are providing air bricks. So that is what I have shown here. So it is clear now. So there is a ground concrete bed. Above that, the sleeper wall is constructed up to one level. Here also exterior wall is constructed up to one level. After that, there will be DPC on either side. Here also DPC, and there is a provision of wall plates or sleeper plates which will support the joist of timber, which will act as a skeleton, and whatever the space is there, so that is fixed with wooden boards. So this comprises suspended timber floor. So there is no contact, so this much gap is there. So this is all gap. Flooring is at this level, ground is at this level, there is a gap. So there is a gap. So we have provided with what? Air bricks for the movement of air. For the movement of air. So this is a typical suspended type. Okay. I hope it is clear now. Solid type means what? There is a ground, there is a concrete, there is an asphalt layer, there is a timber or wooden piece, wooden block. So all the layers are in continuous in contact with one another, and it is also contacted with the ground. So that is why we are telling that solid type. I repeat once again. What is there here? At the bottom you have compacted earth. Yes. On the top you have concrete base. Okay. On the next you have mastic asphalt layer, which acts as a DPC. Which acts as a DPC, strong membrane. Okay. Which will protect this wooden floor or wooden block from moisture. This is the solid type of timber. Solid type of timber. Okay. So that explanation I have given. Okay. So the next type of flooring is asphalt flooring. So asphalt mastic flooring. Asphalt mastic flooring. So here you understand what is laid here. There is a mixture of sand and there is a mixture of asphalt. So these are, when these are mixed in hot condition, it will act as what? One type of semi-solid or liquid type of state. Okay. And after, when it is laid on the some horizontal surface, it will act as one sheet. It will act as one sheet. Okay. Now I will repeat once again. Asphalt and sand, when they are mixed, asphalt and sand, when they are mixed in the ratio 2:1 in a hot condition, and then it is laid in a continuous sheet, asphalt, sand, hot mixture laid in a continuous sheet over what? Over the concrete base course. So I will not repeat this, what is base course. So lot of times it is still. So this sheet is laid over a mix, over the base course. So later on, this mix is poured, spread and leveled, and over this again a thin layer of sand is also spread. So that is called as asphalt mastic flooring. Okay, that is asphalt mastic flooring. Next is what? In the same one, if that is used in the form of tiles, we are call it as asphaltic tiles. So what tiles will contain? Asbestos fiber, inert materials, mineral pigments. Don't worry to remember all these things. You just remember asphalt tiles will contain asbestos material. That's all, sufficient. So the tiles may be this size, 20 by 20, 40 by 40. These are arbitrary size. Okay. in industry or in market you can get any size, okay, no problem. Okay, so asbestos tiles are fixed. So how they are fixed? Biologically you can tell how the tiles are fixed. On the cement concrete, a neat cement slurry is placed above this. Tiles are slowly pressed, that's all, and extra cement paste which comes out at the edges is cleaned, washed away, and everything is made clean and polished. So this is about asphaltic tiles. First is asphalt mastic flooring, where hot mixture of asphalt and sand is done. Okay, it is in the form of layer. Second is tiles, asphaltic tiles. Now what is this terrazzo? Do you remember this word terrazzo? Terrazzo is similar, no? Terrazzo. So broken small pieces which are there in the slurry. Broken small pieces which are there in the slurry. So here asphaltic material is added. That's all. So this is prepared similar to asphaltic mastic, but extra marble chips are added. So in that slurry means what? So here sand plus asphalt is hot mixed and it is acting as one liquid. In that liquid slurry you put marble chips. So that type of flooring is called as asphaltic terrazzo. So I repeat, only mastic means what? Asphalt, sand, hot mix. It will act as liquid. In that liquid you put marble chips, it will become asphaltic terrazzo. That's all. Okay. The next one is acid proof. This is one special type. Okay, that's not used generally. It is generally used in chemical industry. Okay. So here acid proof asphalt is used. That's all. So here how it is done? Here some inert rock aggregates are used under high pressure. Inert rock aggregates are used under high pressure. Inert means they are not active at all. So they will not react with any chemicals. So here asphalt, sand, that is used, no? So here sand is made from inert aggregate, inert rock aggregate. Okay, so that is why mastic flooring, which is acid proof. How you should understand? It is a mastic flooring, that is asphalt plus sand, which is hot mixed, act as a liquid. If this sand is made up of inert material, then it is acid proof. Simple, acid proof. That's all. Okay, I hope it is clear now. What is this resilient? What is this resilient? If the floors are made materials such as PVC, linoleum, rubber. So this PVC, linoleum, rubber, these materials are called as resilient materials, and the corresponding floors are called as resilient floors. So, okay, these are generally used in office, computer rooms, etc. Okay. So what is this rubber flooring? Rubber flooring is nothing but consisting of sheets, simple sheets. No, if you see this diagram, you will understand. Okay, rubber flooring, where it is plastic or PVC. This is typical, you can tell, similar to this only. So these are plastic. So if the same thing is used rubber, okay, if sometimes this is a linoleum. Okay, so this is one typical linoleum or PVC sheet. So all these types are resilient flooring. Resilient means noise proof. They will absorb the noise. You understand? You remember this word. They are very, very smooth. If anything falls on this also, they will not make any noise. These are generally used in computer rooms, office, IT office. But these are not used in bathrooms, toilets. Okay, these are not used there. Okay, so remember one thing. These are all resilient floors. Rubber, PVC, linoleum, like this, the different types of materials are used. This is not linoleum, but I just marked there. Linoleum maybe appears like this. Okay, so these are the resilient. So what are there? What is this in rubber flooring? In rubber flooring, it consists of sheet of tiles of rubber. That's all. Okay, so how it is fixed? Very, very important. The floor is there. There is a rubber sheet in the form of coil. Okay, so perfect glue or adhesive means Fevicol, any glue is pasted here, and above this roll is pressed. Simple, no? So how it is done? The sheet or tile is manufactured by mixing of pure rubber that is there. Okay. So how they are fixed? The sheets or tiles are fixed to concrete base using adhesive. Using adhesive. So there is a floor, there is a rubber. So there is a floor on which you want to put this one. So there is a rubber coil or rubber tile. So you are going to fix the adhesive on this surface or on this surface or on this surface. Everything is done. So this is rolled on this one and it is pressed. Okay, this is rubber flooring. Similarly, another material is there. What is this? Linoleum. You see in this diagram, linoleum like this. This is the diagram. Linoleum. Okay, linoleum. That type of a material is there. That's all. Okay, these sheets are manufactured. These sheets are manufactured using linseed oil. Using linseed oil or any pigments. Just understand it is a resilient material. It is simply linoleum covering material. Okay, so again they are coming under in the form of rolls. Means what? Like this, in the rolls they are coming, spread over a larger area. Spread over a larger area. Again, how? With the help of what? Same method, glues. With the help of glues, these things are fixed on the surface. So these are very cheap and can be cleaned easily. Generally these are adopted in public buildings. So rubber flooring is same, linoleum flooring is same, only material is changed. There rubber is used, here linoleum material is used. So fixing methodology is same. So glues are used. Okay. What is this plastic? Same thing, material is changed. So they are using what? Plastic material such as PVC, polyvinyl chloride. Simple, no? So generally these are used in residential, non-residential. So diagram for that PVC. Where is that PVC? Yes. This is a typical PVC, plastic. This is a typical plastic. Okay. So if these are used, that time you can go for that one. Simple material. So same thing. Okay. So that material laid on the tiles. So that PVC material will be laid on the tiles using adhesives. Using adhesive. That's all. You remember only that thing. Okay. So adhesive is pasted, gently pressed, extra oozing out adhesive is taken outside and it is cleaned. Okay. Simple. Flooring, adhesive, that PVC coil or PVC tile, adhesive, press down, extra adhesive, take it, clean it and firmly fix on the floor. Simple. PVC flooring. Cork flooring. Cork is one type of tree. Cork is one type of tree. Okay. So it is the outer bark of cork tree. Outer bark of cork tree. This is available as a carpet or tiles. This is available as carpet or tiles. Okay. So this cork flooring is fixed on concrete base using by inserting a layer of felt. Felt is nothing but one type of adhesive, you remember. Okay. How this cork carpet? See, I told you cork is one tree product. One tree is there. The outside layer we call it as cork. Outside layer we call it as cork. So that cork carpet is manufactured first. How it is manufactured? By heating the granules of cork with linseed oil. Granules of cork with the linseed oil. Somehow it is manufactured. Just understand that now. After that, what they are doing? It is a cork carpet is made, and apart from that, you can make tiles also. Apart from that, you can make tiles also. So cork flooring consists of maybe carpet of cork, maybe tiles. How they are fixed? As usual, on a floor, adhesive. They are going to fix. They are going to fix that one. Okay. Cork. What is this glass flooring? What is this glass flooring? This is used when there is a need to transmit the light from upper floor to lower floor. When you want upper floor to transmit the light, so that time you can go for glass flooring. Glass flooring. So you need light for that one. Okay. Structural glass is also available. Okay. Structural glass is also available.